In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your travel plans using Google and Expedia, a process that can save you a lot of time and stress. With just a few straightforward steps, you'll learn how to seamlessly manage your upcoming trips, ensuring everything is covered efficiently from start to finish. First, let's start by visiting Expedia. Open your favorite web browser and enter the Expedia website. If you're not familiar, Expedia is a popular online travel agency where you can book flights, hotels, rental cars, and vacation packages. It's a one-stop shop for all your travel arrangements. Once you're on the home page, log into your account if you haven't already. If you don't have an account, it's quick and easy to create one, and you'll need it to proceed with organizing your trips. Now that you're logged in, locate the Trips section. This is usually found at the top of the page or under a drop-down menu. Clicking on Trips will give you access to your current travel itineraries, past trips, and any upcoming plans you've booked through Expedia. Once you're there, find the specific trip you'd like to add to your Google Calendar. Highlighting it will allow for a smoother transition into our next step. With your trip details opened, it's time to integrate these plans with your Google Calendar. Switching over to Google Calendar, which you can easily access through your Google account by opening a new tab, navigate to the Create button, typically displayed on the left-hand side. This will allow you to add a new event, or in this case, your travel itinerary. The benefit of adding your travel plans to Google Calendar is that you can set reminders, receive notifications, and get an immediate, organized view of your itinerary, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Here is where you'll input the details of your trip. I recommend copying and pasting information like flight times, hotel check-ins, and any activities straight from Expedia into the relevant date and time slots in Calendar. You can also add notes, such as booking confirmation numbers or special instructions, directly into the description field of your calendar event. Don't forget to set reminders for any important timings, like when you need to be at the airport or when certain excursions begin. This feature can be particularly helpful to ensure you're always one step ahead during your travels. Once everything is added, double-check the information to ensure accuracy. Then simply save your new calendar entry. This streamlined approach will not only help keep your travel organized, but also accessible across all your devices. And there you have it. You're done. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this guide helps you better manage and enjoy your travel experiences. Happy travels.